Hi, I'd like to talk to you today about this USA National Parks Passport book. Now, I'm starting to plan my adventures for the summer. Some of that includes going to national parks. Now, on the East Coast here, we don't have a tremendous amount of national parks, but I still want to make sure that I get a passport stamp and document any adventures that I've had in those parks. So this book is really nice. This front part section, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's almost like three-dimensional right here. It's a nice hardback book. And on the inside, it not only has your 63 different national parks, but there's other monuments and different major points of interest that you may want to consider seeing. Starts out with a map of all the locations of the 63 national parks, as well as other monuments that are in here. And then on the next page, content on where you can find that information for that park. Each park has its own page in the book, and there's a place to put your passport stamp that you'll get at the national park. And then there's points of interest, and you can rate it, what you thought of it. Some great ways to just remember your experience that you had at that particular park. And I'm looking forward to filling this up with all of my great adventures. And that's just my honest opinion.